drawing book, Betty Edwards, it goes, in fact, if you come to parts that perhaps you could name, just continue to think to yourself, well, this line curves that way, this line crosses over, making that little shape there, and this line's at that angle. That is kind of how you talk to yourself when you draw. So, experiment 2. Keep an eye on time, yeah. Experiment 2 was what came out of this pilot project. The pilot study was just a pilot as such, and we sort of felt like I needed to get a psychologist to work with, and the psychologist was Ben Dyson, who was here and now in Ontario. And he was interested in these drawings, using these drawings as a set of stimulus for experiments about visual perception. And one of the thing that he was really interested in was the difference between canonical and non-canonical viewpoints. Does that mean something to some of you? Because I don't know where you're all coming from. And so I ended up reading lots of papers about this. I'll just explain how I met him. Was that I was playing this game, again in an informal way as an artist. It was a little game I used to play with the drawings that were made by the process described, and I would have a sequence of drawings. As in the last experiment, there were 15th copies. What I started doing was running a sequence backwards and getting people to guess what they were. So I'm going to do that with you now, which is why I said a pen and paper could be handy. So you're only going to get a few seconds with each one, but if you would like to scribble down what you think they are, it's quite fun. It's going to start with number 15, and the thing is that, yeah, when you get to number 1, you will know what it is, for sure. And this is what I was doing as at the same time as you know, this part of the experiments described. So, okay, number 14. Don't worry if you haven't got any. If you think it's the same thing, then you can just write the same or just do a little dash, or not write anything at all. But even if you don't write anything, you could just note at what point what number you definitely know what it is, and then there's no prizes there. Number 12. No, you're on number 13 still. Sorry. Number 12.